Assalamualaikum and good day to my respected lecturer and everyone. My name is Mohd Fauzi, and today I'm going to present my conceptual paper with the title of Green Finance and ESG as a catalyst for sustainable business performance, the mediating role of green logistics in parcel industry, a conceptual framework. The parcel industry rapid growth due to the expansion of e-commerce and online shopping. While this growth create opportunities, it also increased environmental challenge such as carbon emission, traffic congestion, excessive fuel consumption, and packaging waste. Business are often blamed for causing environmental degradation and social deprivation issue since the activity are considered unsustainable to some extent. However, implementing green initiative is expensive. So this is where green finance as a critical policy tool for supporting green development play a pivotal role in directing capital flow toward low carbon and environmental friendly industry through green loan, green bond and sustainable investment. At the same time, ESG has gained increasing attention as a strategic approach to achieving sustainable objective. Although previous study has examined green finance and ESG separately, limited research explain how they work together through green logistics to improve sustainable business performance, especially in the parcel industry. The motivation of this study is to address the limited understanding of the green finance and ESG contribute to sustainable business performance in the parcel industry through green logistics. So the main objective of this study is to propose a green logistics as a mediator between green finance, ESG and sustainable business performance. Specifically, this study examines all the direct relationship among all these variables and investigate where green logistics as a mechanism that translate green finance and ESG into better business performance. The first independent variable is green finance. So from all the literature review, we are hypothesized that green finance positively influence sustainable business performance. In hypothesis 2, green finance positively influence green logistic practice. In our second independent variable, ESG, from all the literature review, we have proposed that ESG positively influence sustainable business performance, and in H4, we propose that ESG positively influence green logistic practice. Green logistic in this research act as the mediating variable. From all the literature review, we have proposed that green logistic influence sustainable business performance, green logistic mediate green finance to sustainable business performance, and in the last hypothesis, we suggest that green logistic mediate ESG to sustainable business performance. In the study, sustainable business performance have been chosen as the dependent variable. So from the literature review, we can see that the sustainable business performance have been referred as the undertaking the company activity, function and operations so that they do not have harmful effect on the environment or the health of its customer, while also fostering better social interaction with its stakeholder. The natural resource-based view has been chosen as the underpinning theory for this study. From the NRBV perspective, green finance represents a strategic organizational resources that enable firms to invest in the environmental sustainable initiative. So this is our proposed theoretical framework. So we can see there are two independent variables here, which is green finance and ESG orientation that been believed to influence the business sustainable performance. And these two independent variables also believed to influence the green logistic. Green logistic here is believed to influence business sustainable performance and at the same time are going to mediate the relationship between green finance and ESG orientation towards the business sustainable performance. So to test this proposed theoretical framework, we have suggest that the research design as this stage using the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 where we check the instrument through the development instrument validation and also testing the theoretical framework through the data collection, confirmatory analysis and hypothesis testing. So we also proposed that this study to use and to survey all 122 companies that are running in Malaysia. So these 122 courier company are going to be selected from the managerial level, or when all the manager are going to answer the question based on the behalf of their company. So the conclusion is green finance and ESG are key enablers of sustainable transformation in the parcel industry. Guided by the NRBV, green finance support investment in green logistics, including electric vehicle, renewable energy, and sustainable packaging. Green logistics improve environmental, economic, and social performance, creating long-term competitive advantage. So that for future research, we also suggest the framework should be validated through the empirical research and examine the role of green finance and ESG capability through green logistics to improve the sustainable business performance. That's all from me. Thank you.